Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you this makeup look, which is my soft glam pink makeup look or a daytime makeup look, which is perfect for every occasion. I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. To hydrate my face, I am using the Cetaphil Ultra Hydrating Lotion, which is a very good moisturizer, especially for dry skin people. This is a very good moisturizer. I am going to apply this all over my face and my neck and massaging it nicely till it is absorbed in my skin. Now for my lips, I am using this Biotic lip balm, which is again a very good lip balm. For primer, I am using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. It is a tinted primer. I am going to apply it around my nose where I have some pores, forehead and my chin also. I'm just going to press it in my skin. For concealer, I am using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I am going to apply it under my eyes, around my mouth, around my nose and anywhere where I have some blemishes and dark spots. Now with a damp beauty sponge, I am going to blend this concealer. I am using Colorba beauty sponge, which is a very good sponge. I am using this for the first time. I am just liking this because it is very soft and it blends everything very nicely. Today I am not using any foundation. I am using this BB cream, which is a very good BB cream and it also gives a very good coverage. I am just going to apply it all over my face and my neck. If you don't want a very heavy coverage and if you are a beginner or a teenager, I think you can definitely go with this BB cream. Now with the help of a brush, I am going to blend it very nicely. Again with a damp beauty sponge, I am going to blend everything nicely. Now for setting my base, I am using this Bharat & Doris loose powder and going to press it on my skin. I am not using too much powder, I am just taking a little bit and pressing it on my skin. For my eyebrows, I am using this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. I am going to shape my eyebrows and fill the sparse areas. To prime my eyes, I am not using any concealer or any primer. I am using this Pond's BB cream and going to blend it with my fingers only. To set this again, I am taking this Bharat & Doris loose powder. Now I am taking this Miss Clear eyeshadow. It is a single eyeshadow. I am going to apply it above my crease area. In back and forth motion, I am blending this eyeshadow. I pick this eyeshadow 2 to 3 times till I get satisfied with the color. Again I am taking Miss Clear single eyeshadow. It is a little bit darker shade than the previous one. I am going to apply this on the outer V of my eyes, on my crease and my inner lid also. I am going to blend it very nicely. Just using back and forth motion, I am going to blend it. And using round and round motion, I am going to blend it in the outer V of my eyes. Again I am taking this dark pink shade. I am going to apply it on the lower lash line. Now I am using this Rose Rebel palette from Wet n Wild. I am going to use this shimmer shade on my lid. I am just going to apply it on the center of my lid only. Now I am taking this darker pink shimmery shade. I am going to apply it over the previous one. To add a little sparkle to my eye look, I am using this Color Essence Shimmer Highlighter. I am applying this on the center of my lid. highlight my brow bone and my inner corners of eyes, I am using this Wet n Wild palette. I am taking this gold shade and highlight my brow bone and inner corners. For eyeliner, I am using this L'Oreal Super Liner. It's a 2-in-1 eyeliner. In one side there is a sketch eyeliner and in the other side there is a kajal pencil. To tightline my lower waterline, I am using the other side of the super liner. Before applying falsies, I am going to curl my natural lashes and applying a coat of mascara. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I will let this mascara to dry first, then I am going to apply my falsies. In between that, I am going to complete rest of my face makeup. I am using this Wet n Wild contouring palette and contour my face. For blusher, I am using this Wet n Wild blusher in the shade Percent Pink. It's a very good blusher. It gives you a very natural pinkish cheek. It's perfect for everyday makeup use. For highlighter, I am using this Maybelline Master Strobing Cream. I am going to apply it on the highest points of my face. As my mascara is all set, now I have applied my falsies. To outline my lips, I am using this Gala of London lip liner in the shade Pink 02. For lipstick, I am taking this NYX Butter lipstick in the shade Thunderstorm. For my hairstyle, I have side parted my hair. I am going to take a small section from the front, dividing it into two and twisting it. I will continue it like this, like adding some small section and twisting it. At last, I am going to secure it at the back using some fancy pins. On the other side, I am going to repeat the same process. So this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.